dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter number 4. Name of the chapter is perimeter, area and volume, and it is our lecture number 3. Today's subtopics are sums related to find out the area. Exercise 4A. Questions 10 to 15. Now read question number 10. A park of length 150 meter and width 100 meter has a 20 meter wide pathway running through its inner boundary. Find the area of the pathway. अब पार्क इस एक पार्क बना हुआ है 150 मीटर लंबा एंड 100 मीटर चौड़ा. इसके अंदर 20 मीटर चौड़ा रास्ता बनाया गया है. We have to find out the area of that path. First of all, we have to make a park, rectangular park. Okay. And a path is made inside it. Like this. Okay. Now it is given to us length. We will give the naming. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. Now this length is 150 meter and breadth is 100 meter. Path is 20 meter wide. So 20 meter, both the sides. Now figure is clear to you? बेटा हमें निकालना है इस पाथ का एरिया. तो इस पाथ का एरिया निकालने के लिए अगर हम बिगर रेक्टेंगल का एरिया निकाल लें और फिर स्मॉलर एरिया रेक्टेंगल का एरिया निकाल लेंगे और आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, देन ओनली पाथ विल बी लेफ्ट. इन दिस वे वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ. सो राइट हियर एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल ABCD is equal to length multiply breadth. Length is 150 meter and breadth is 100 meter. 15 and then 3 zeros you will write. Unit will be meter square. Now length of rectangle EFGH. Length of this rectangle 20 meter. वाइड पाथ यहाँ है, 20 मीटर यहाँ है, तो ये 20 प्लस 20 माइनस करना है हमें. देन वी विल गेट लेंथ 150 मीटर में से आप माइनस कर देंगे 20 मीटर फ्रॉम राइट साइड एंड 20 मीटर फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. सो इट विल बी 150 मीटर माइनस 40 मीटर is equal to 110 meter is the length. In the same way, write on breadth of rectangle EFGH 110 meter minus 20 meter minus 20 meter. दोनों साइड से माइनस करना है बेटे. So 110 minus 40. It is 100 given to us. Breadth is given to us, look here, 100 meter. So it will be 100, not 110. Okay. 100 minus 40, 60 meter. Now area of rectangle EFGH, L into B, it will become 110 meter multiply 60 meter. 11 6 are 66 and then 2 zeros. 6,600 meter square. Now what we will do? Area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle EFGH. Then we will get area of pathway. Now area of pathway is equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle EFGH is equal to 15,000 meter square minus 6,600 meter square. You can subtract in rough column. You will get 8,400 meter square. Now the next question number 11. What will be the labor charge for tiling a hole 22 meter long and 17 meter wide at the rate of ₹8 per square meter? एक हॉल है, उसमें टाइलें लगानी है, जिस हॉल की लेंथ है 22 मीटर, ब्रेथ है 17 मीटर, तो कितने रुपए खर्च होंगे अगर वहां पर टाइलें लगाने के लिए लेबर मजदूर को लगा जाएगा तो उनको कितने रुपए देने पड़ेंगे? अगर पर स्क्वायर मीटर पे 8 रुपए का खर्चा आता है तो लेबर चार्ज कितना होगा? Got it? It means first of all we have to find out the area and then cost. So what is given to us? Length of the hall, (22 meter), breadth of the hall 17 meter, area of the hall L into B, 22 multiply 17 meter multiply meter, meter square, and now multiply in rough column. You will get 374, not 1,100, 374 meter square. Now what was asked? Labor charge. So write down labor charge for tiling (1 meter square). पर मीटर स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, ₹8 लगते हैं 1 मीटर स्क्वायर पे टाइल लगाने के. देन लेबर चार्जेस फॉर टाइलिंग (374 meter square. We will multiply 8 multiply 374, and you all can multiply in rough column, and then you will get ₹2,992. इतने रुपए खर्च होंगे लेबर चार्जेस पे टाइल लगाने के लिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. हाउ मेनी स्लैब्स ऑफ सीमेंट आर रिक्वायर्ड to tile a platform of length 8 meter and breadth 6 meter if the length of each slab is 4 cm and breadth 3 cm. We have to find out the area of the platform. एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे टाइल्स लगानी है, सीमेंटेड टाइल्स, जिसको यहाँ पे स्लैब नेम दिएगा, स्लैब ऑफ सीमेंट. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म, length into breadth, then area of slab, length into breadth. Make the units together because units are given here in meter and here in centimeter. So you have to make the units similar. And then to find the number of slabs required, we will divide the area of platform with the area of one slab. Got it? In this way we will find out the number of slabs required. So we will start the solution with the length of the platform. Length of the platform is equal to 8 meter. Here I am writing the symbol, that's why I am taking small alphabet. Breadth of the platform 6 meter. Area of the platform. Length into breadth. 8 multiplies 6 meter square. 8 6 are 48 meter square. Now we will convert it into centimeter square. So you write down here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter square, 1 meter multiply 1 meter will become 1 meter square. So 100 multiply 100 will become 10,000 centimeter square. So here we are going to multiply with 10,000. So this is the formula. 48 multiply 10,000 centimeter square. What is the number now? 4,80,000 centimeter square is the area of platform. Now length of a slab 4 centimeter. Breadth of a slab 3 centimeter. Area of a slab, length into breadth 4 multiply 3 centimeter square. 4 3s are 12. Now we have the same units. We will do division to find the number of slabs required. किसी भी रेक्टेंगल पे, रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क पे, स्क्वायर पार्क पे टाइल्स लगानी है तो पहले उस पार्क का एरिया निकालना है, फिर टाइल का एरिया निकालना है, फिर नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स निकालने के लिए बिगर एरिया डिवाइड बाय स्मॉलर एरिया. So it will become now 4,80,000 divided by 12. Centimeter square will cancel. 12 fours are 48 and then 4 zeros. So how many slabs are required? 40,000 slabs are required. Now question number 13. I am explaining you. You will try it yourself. It is same as we have done question number 11. Find the cost of painting a square board of side 44 centimeter at the rate of rupees 7 per square centimeter. What will be done here? Side of the square board is given. You will find out the area. Side multiply by side. And then you will write down cost required for 1 meter square and cost required for that area, as we have done in question number 11. So you will try it. If you are getting any problem, then you will tell to me. That's why I have explained it to you. That's why I have taken it in my subtopic, so that I can explain and you will solve it. Calculation part is important for you to solve. Okay, so it is very simple. Side of the square board, then area of the square board, side multiply side, then cost required rupees 7 multiply by the area. So do it yourself. Okay. Next question is your question number 14. Determine the number of squares on a square game board of side 8 centimeter if the side of each square is 1 centimeter. We have to find out the number of squares on the square game board. एक स्क्वायर गेम बोर्ड है, बोर्ड है जिसपे गेम खेली जाती है, स्क्वायर साइज में है, जिसकी हर साइड 8 सेंटीमीटर है. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है if the side of each square is 1 centimeter then how many number of squares are there. कितने स्क्वायर उस पे बने हुए हैं. Understand the question with the help of this figure. This is a square game board. Okay, and it is given that one square has the side 1 centimeter. Got it? और कितनी हमें दे रखा है इसमें, गेम बोर्ड हैज अ साइड 8 सेंटीमीटर, यानी कि ये एक साइड इसकी 8 सेंटीमीटर है एंड इट इज स्क्वायर, सो अनदर साइड्स आर आल्सो ऑफ 8 सेंटीमीटर. यस और नो? नाउ इट इज आस्क्ड हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स आर देयर. इस गेम बोर्ड में कितने स्क्वायर्स हैं. सो अगर आपको 1 स्क्वायर का गिवन है 1 सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाई 1 सेंटीमीटर, एरिया विल बिकम 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो you can judge it from here that if there are 8 squares and 8 squares in this side, so area will become 8 multiply 8. Is it not like this as we were doing find out the area? The figure was made there, question number 4 we have done, है ना. तो 1 square has area 1 centimeter square. Okay, so how many? 1 square has area 1 centimeter square. We are getting the area of this square as side multiply side. Side of the square board 8 centimeter. Area of the square board, side multiply side. It will become 8 multiply 8 centimeter square, that is 64 centimeter square. And now area of each square it is again side multiply side. Okay, तो एक स्मॉल आपका जो स्क्वायर है बेटा दिस वन, इसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. साइड मल्टीप्लाई साइड वी हैव डन, सो एरिया ऑफ ईच स्क्वायर is equal to side multiply side is equal to 1 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter square. So number of squares on the game board is equal to 64 centimeter square divided by 1 centimeter square. You will get 64. So कितने squares हैं 64. Orally also we have done by counting, but this is the method. In this way we can find out the area of the game board. Game board के यहाँ तो आपकी साइड 8 सेंटीमीटर है, आप काउंट करके इसलिए निकाल सकते हो. अगर साइड होगी 80,000 then this is the way you will calculate. Now the next question is question number 15. How many bricks are required to build a wall of height 2.88 meter and width 50 centimeter? Meter centimeter. First of all we will make the units similar. If the length of each brick is 12 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter, हाउ मैनी ब्रिक्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, इट इज सेम एज वी हैव डन हाउ मैनी स्लैब्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. तो पहले हमें वॉल का एरिया निकालना है, फिर ब्रिक का एरिया निकालना है. देन वी विल फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स बाय डिवाइडिंग द एरिया ऑफ वॉल with area of a brick. Got it? It is given to us height of the wall, means that is length. Length of the wall 2.88 meter. Breadth of the wall 50 centimeter. So we will do conversion here only. 2.88 multiply by 100. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. It will become, decimal will shift 2 places forward, 288 centimeter. Write down here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right? Now length is given, breadth is given. Area of the wall L into B, 288 multiply 50 centimeter square. 288 multiply by 50. You can do in rough column. 14,400 centimeter square is the area of the wall. Now we will find out area of the brick. So length of the brick is given to us 12 centimeter. Breadth of the brick 10 centimeter. Area of the brick L into B, 12 multiply 10 centimeter square. 12 tens are 120 centimeter square. Now we have to find out number of bricks required. वॉल को बनाने के लिए कितनी ईंटें चाहिए? एक ब्रिक का एरिया हमें मालूम है, ठीक है. तो नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स रिक्वायर्ड इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द वॉल डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ द brick. It is 14,400 centimeter square divided by 120 centimeter square. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So 120 bricks are required. Got it? Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is solve question 1, B and C parts. 2, B and C parts. And 3, B and C parts of exercise 4A. Okay, in notebook you will solve. Now it's time to do homework discussion of previous lecture, in which question number 5, B, C and D parts were given. Length is given to you, breadth is given to you. You have to find out the area. I hope you all have done. It was simple multiplication. Area is equal to length multiply breadth. So 26 multiply 54 centimeter square. And you all have got the answer. This part was done in the lecture. For the second part, check your answer. 1404 centimeter square. And for the next part, here there is no need of writing the formula, but I am telling you so that you can remind always. 38 multiply 42 centimeter square. Check your multiplication. Is it 1596 centimeter square? If yes, then it's okay. Otherwise, you will multiply again. 71 centimeter is length. Breadth is 37. So area, length into breadth. 71 multiply 37 centimeter square. It will become 2627 centimeter square. Simple multiplications are there. If you have done correct, it's okay. Otherwise, do correction work. 2 times you will correct it. 2 times you will do the same question. And question number 6. Find the area of the following figures. B, C and D parts were given. B part was explained in the lecture also, but I have given in the homework so that you will do practice again. Okay. C part, you have to divide it into 2 rectangles. This rectangle A having length 9 cm and breadth 2 cm. Rectangle B having length 2 cm and breadth 1 cm. So let's find out the area. 6th question, C part. Area of rectangle A. It is 9 multiplied 2 centimeter square. 18 centimeter square. Area of rectangle B. 2 multiply 1. 2 centimeter square only. Area of given figure or total figure is equal to 18 centimeter square plus 2 centimeter square. It will become 20 centimeter square. Write down the formula also. Area of rectangle, length multiply breadth. As we have noted in at the top, either write down here or at last. It should be there with your question. Now question number 6, D part. 3 rectangles are there. So area of rectangle A is equal to, let me show you. Look here. Rectangle A 3 cm into 2 cm. Rectangle B 2 cm multiply 6. 2, 2, 2. Understood? And rectangle C has length 2, breadth 2. That is, it is a square. Okay. So area of rectangle A 3 multiply 2 centimeter square 6 centimeter square. Area of rectangle B 2 multiply 6 multiply 2. 6 length, 2 breadth. Centimeter square, that is 12 centimeter square. And area of rectangle C. You can write down here square also. It is no problem. Square is also taking all the properties of rectangle. So it will be 2 into 2 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square. Side into side. Area of given figure is equal to sum of all the areas. 6 centimeter square plus 12 centimeter square plus 4 centimeter square. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 4, 22 centimeter square. Have you got the correct answers? Yes, it's very good. If no, do correction work, do practice. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.